Chongqing, the 3D city of China that will amaze you. Welcome to Chongqing, the dazzling metropolis in southwest China that defies the ordinary. Often referred to as China's 3D city, Chongqing is a breathtaking blend of towering skyscrapers, multi-level roads, and vertiginous landscapes that seem to fold upon themselves in a mesmerizing urban tapestry. This city isn't just a place, it's an experience, where the architecture itself feels like an adventure. A vertical wonderland. Chongqing is built on the hilly terrain at the confluence of the Yangtze and Jialing rivers, creating a cityscape like no other. Unlike flat cities, Chongqing's streets weave through cliffs, rise over hills, and spiral around buildings in a gravity-defying spectacle. This verticality gives the city its 3D moniker, as navigating its layers often feels like stepping into a three-dimensional maze. Imagine hopping on a train that passes directly through a building or taking an elevator up to what seems like another city entirely. Architectural marvels. One of the most iconic sights in Chongqing is the Hongyudong, a sprawling, 11-story stilted complex clinging to the cliffside. At night, Hongyudong transforms into a glowing beacon, with its traditional wooden architecture lit up against the dark river below. It's a blend of the old and the new, a must-see for anyone who wants to experience the essence of Chongqing's unique charm. Another architectural wonder is the Raffles City Chongqing, known locally as the horizontal skyscraper. This futuristic complex features a skybridge that connects several towers at their peaks, forming a horizontal skyscraper in the sky. Standing atop this structure gives you a panoramic view of the city and its rivers, making it one of the most breathtaking spots to take in Chongqing's 3D landscape. Cultural depth. Beyond its physical allure, Chongqing is rich in history and culture. The city served as the wartime capital of China during World War II, and its museums and historical sites offer deep insights into its strategic importance and resilience. The Three Gorges Museum is particularly noteworthy, housing artifacts and exhibits that tell the story of the Yangtze River and its significance to the region. Subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and be the first to join me on my next adventure. Culinary paradise. Chongqing is also renowned for its spicy cuisine, especially the legendary Chongqing hot pot. Imagine placing fresh ingredients into a boiling, spicy broth and sharing this artful dining experience with the locals. It's a feast for the senses that will surely leave a lasting impression. Beyond hot pot, Chongqing's culinary culture has many treasures waiting to be explored. In the alleys and streets, you'll find various local snacks at food stalls, each bite offering a deeper understanding of the city's unique flavor profile. Chongqing noodles, a bowl of diverse flavors. Chongqing noodles are a daily staple for the locals. Though they may seem simple, these noodles are rich in taste and texture. A bowl of steaming noodles, topped with a carefully crafted spicy sauce, garnished with peanuts, green onions, and minced meat, bursts with a spicy and savory flavor that is quintessentially Chongqing. This seemingly ordinary bowl of noodles embodies the everyday life and passion of the people and is the best way to experience authentic Chongqing flavors. Laziji, spicy chicken, a classic dish of crispy, spicy delight. Chongqing's laziji, or spicy chicken, is another must-try classic dish. Small pieces of chicken are lightly battered and fried until golden, then stir-fried with a generous amount of dried chilies and Sichuan peppercorns. Each bite is crispy on the outside and tender on the inside, packed with a rich, spicy flavor that stimulates the appetite. Although this dish appears intensely spicy, its complex layers of taste make it irresistibly delicious. Ma Shui Wang, a bold and flavorful experience. Ma Shui Wang is a bold dish in Chongqing, featuring a mix of duck blood, beef tripe, eel, tofu, and other ingredients cooked in a pot of rich, spicy broth. The result is a pot full of intense, spicy, and savory flavors. This dish is a favorite among those who love to challenge their taste buds. Swan Lafen, a tangy and spicy street snack. Swan Lafen, or sour and spicy noodles, is one of Chongqing's most popular street snacks. Made from sweet potato noodles, this dish is beloved for its unique, tangy, and spicy flavor, making it a must-try for many visitors. The essence of swan lafen lies in its sauce, a perfect blend of tangy, spicy, and numbing flavors, combined with the chewy texture of the noodles, making it hard to resist. Food streets, a feast for the taste buds. In Chongqing's famous food streets, like Sikiku Ancient Town and the area around Jifangbai, you can indulge in various authentic delicacies. From fragrant grilled skewers and aromatic fried snacks to sweet and sticky rice cakes and refreshing iced jelly, these streets are a treasure trove of Chongqing's culinary delights. Walking through these lively streets feels like entering a culinary paradise, with tantalizing aromas everywhere, tempting you to taste it all. Hot pot culture, an experience beyond taste. Hot pot is not just about the food, it's a cultural experience. Step into any Chongqing hot pot restaurant, and you'll be enveloped in a lively atmosphere. Friends and family gather around a bubbling pot of spicy oil, with fragrant steam rising and laughter filling the air. It's a warm and satisfying experience. Here, hot pot is not only a challenge for your taste buds but also the perfect way to spend time with loved ones. At night, Chongqing transforms into a neon-lit dream world. The city's buildings shine in a spectrum of colors, reflected in the river, creating a surreal and fantastical atmosphere. The Yangtze River Cableway offers an unparalleled way to experience this enchanting night view, providing an aerial perspective of the city bathed in lights below. Whether you stroll along the riverside or take a cable car ride for a bird's-eye view of the city, Chongqing's nightscape can make you feel as though you've stepped into a science fiction movie. Neon lights illuminate the city, as if every building is telling a story. Nanshan Yaishu viewing platform is another excellent spot for panoramic views. Here, you can overlook the entire city's night scene, with dazzling lights blending with the night sky, like a massive painting. Jifangbai Pedestrian Street is one of the liveliest areas in Chongqing at night. It's not just a shopper's paradise but also the best place to feel the city's energy. As night falls, shops and restaurants along the street light up, and the bustling crowds combine with the vibrant buildings to form a bustling urban nightscape. For those seeking tranquility, Kaohsiung Mandak is a perfect choice. Here, you can take a boat ride, slowly drifting past the two rivers and four shores, away from the city's hustle and bustle. The river shimmers under the lights, accompanied by a gentle breeze, with only the soft sound of water and faint music in the distance. In this moment, time seems to stand still, leaving you alone in a quiet dialogue with the city. For adventurous visitors, Honya Cave is a must-visit. Not only is it a hub for food and shopping, but it's also a paradise for nightscape photography enthusiasts. Climb to the top of Honya Cave, and you'll have a sweeping view of the city's nightscape. The brightly lit city contrasts with the stars in the night sky, giving you a dreamlike feeling. No matter how you choose to experience it, Chongqing's nightscape will not disappoint. The multi-layered beauty the city reveals at night will offer you a visual and spiritual feast, leaving you with unforgettable memories. Chongqing, a gateway to adventure. Chongqing is not just a marvel of modern urbanity, it also serves as a gateway to some of China's most magnificent natural and cultural landscapes, offering adventurers endless possibilities for exploration. Whether cruising through the Three Gorges on the Yangtze River or venturing deep into the mountains to discover ancient relics, Chongqing is the perfect starting point for any adventure. Three Gorges Tour, an intimate encounter with nature. Departing from Chongqing, cruising down the Yangtze River through the breathtaking Three Gorges is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. The Zhutong Gorge, Wu Gorge, and Xiling Gorge are renowned for their majestic and rugged canyon landscapes, with towering cliffs on both sides of the river, seemingly narrating ancient legends. As you sail through, you'll feel the grandeur of nature while also enjoying the historical sites and villages along the way, a feast of both natural beauty and history. Wulong Karst, an adventure into fantastical landscapes. The Wulong area, south of Chongqing, is a paradise for outdoor adventurers. Its karst landscape is a UNESCO World Natural Heritage Site, home to many awe-inspiring natural wonders. The three natural bridges, three massive stone bridges formed by nature, span deep valleys, creating a surreal and magnificent sight. Standing on the bridge and looking down, you feel as though you've entered a surreal world, both awe-inspiring and captivating. Longxuixia Fisher Gorge is another must-see wonder, a gorge that plunges hundreds of meters deep, winding and narrow, flanked by sheer cliffs with waterfalls cascading down. Walking along the narrow pathways, it feels like you're inside a crack in the earth, giving rise to a thrilling sense of adventure. Dazu Rock Carvings, a treasure of history and art. Not far from Chongqing lies Dazu, home to some of China's most famous rock carvings. The Dazu rock carvings, a UNESCO World Cultural Heritage Site, are intricately carved and richly detailed, reflecting various aspects of ancient Chinese religion, society, and life. Strolling among the carvings, you'll be struck by the artistry of these works, which have endured for centuries. Each statue and carving bears witness to history, telling stories of ancient beliefs and wisdom. The mysterious Wushan and the Red Leaf Spectacle. Deep within the Three Gorges, Wushan draws countless adventurers with its mysterious atmosphere and stunning natural scenery. Every autumn, the valleys and riverbanks here are covered in a blanket of red leaves, like a vast red canvas, mesmerizing all who see it. During the Wushan Red Leaf Festival, visitors can explore this sea of red by boat or on foot, experiencing the grandeur and poetry of nature. Hiking and climbing, a test of limits. For those who love hiking and climbing, the mountains and gorges around Chongqing offer endless challenges. Whether it's the alpine meadows of Jinfo Mountain or the primeval forests of Nanchuan, you'll have ample opportunities to explore the wilderness. Climbing steep peaks and crossing deep gorges, every step tests your physical and mental endurance, while also providing an unparalleled connection with nature. From the hustle and bustle of the city to the tranquility of the great outdoors, Chongqing opens the door to exploration for every adventurer. Whether you are a history enthusiast, a nature explorer, or a thrill-seeking extreme sports lover, Chongqing can fulfill your adventure dreams. In this land full of charm, every journey is a spiritual cleansing, and every destination will bring endless surprises.
Thank you so much for watching my travel video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more exciting travel content. Feel free to leave a comment below and share your own travel experiences or ask me any questions about travel. Again, thank you so much for your support and I look forward to seeing you in my next travel video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share this video with your friends who love to travel.